मालूम है पर मेरे को नहीं मालूम है.
Shut up. She's like added it. Ding, 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 ding.
Wow. Okay.
You'll have to go way back. Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the official Impulse Coffees YouTube channel. I'm Sarah Sarosh. I'm the founder and CEO of Impulse Coffees.
I'm Moksha Shah, the head of content.
And I'm Bonaita, the social media manager.
And today we are filming Who Knows Sarah Better. I don't know who came up with this challenge, not me. Questions also pile as prepared, so I am just made to sit here to test who knows me better. Right answer to mujhe hi malum hoga. We are all three dressed in our Impulse Coffees apparel. What Bonaita is wearing is our brand new launch coffee because adulting is hard. I love this color. I actually wanted to wear this, but she already wore this to office and came, so I did not have a choice. I'm wearing Woke Up and Chose coffee, and she's wearing Espresso Yourself. We have so much variety now in our apparel, and I'm so happy with the variety that we have to offer, not just in the designs but also in the fabrics. Like these were our first launch, so they are a different fabric feel. GSM quality is different. This is a different fabric feel, GSM quality. सारे details हमारी website पे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से होते हैं, and we have a detailed size chart, everything available for you all. Links are always in the description box, so don't forget to check it out, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we are so close, literally halfway there to 100k. So we are almost going to be there, so please hit the subscribe button so that we can have another silver play button in the studio. And we are very excited for the Impulse Coffees play button because my girls here have been putting a lot of work. So yeah, more than me, of course, these girls deserve it. So you all need to subscribe. And yeah, with that, let me see who knows me better. Alright, if they do not get the answers right, we've got coffee shots over here as punishment shots. These are not regular coffee shots, they are punishment shots, but our regular coffee is not a punishment. That's amazing coffee. Uski भी links always in the description box. First question, what is my educational degree, and if not for YouTube, what was my future plan? Future plan तो मुझे भी नहीं मालूम अभी. I don't know what they're gonna answer.
Professional degree, no?
Yeah, like what did I study? And YouTube नहीं होता तो मैंने क्या करना होता?
मेरे को मालूम है पर मेरे को नहीं मालूम है. That is the thing. By future plan before only, na? Before you started YouTube.
I started YouTube when I was studying.
Yeah, but
If it wouldn't click, तो मैं क्या करती?
जो डिग्री कर रहे थे वही ना बस.
Okay, Moksha being career counselor.
I don't know the name. That is the thing. Something from P is all I know.
Huh?
P?
Vet? Doctor?
नहीं नहीं.
Parrot? Speaker? Philanthropist? Can become a philanthropist now.
I'm ready, I'm with my
Wait.
Plant teacher?
No.
Ray रहवा दे. Anyway, the second is also wrong only. I think.
अरे यार ठीक है.
Okay. Bonaita definitely has like half a point because actually full point भी दे सकते हैं. Open a clinic was definitely not my future plan क्योंकि मेरी सिर्फ पढ़ाई हो गई थी bachelor's की. After bachelor's, if you open a clinic, nobody will come to your clinic. You have to do now my future. The next step was to do my master's, for which I would have gone abroad. I've done my bachelor's in occupational therapy, so I'm an occupational therapist by my bachelor's degree. So Bonaita gets the full point. Moksha, very bad. Now this so you all both should get right, okay? Like literally abhi celebrate. How many years ago did I start my YouTube channel?
I'm confused. 8 और
ऐसे एक ही मिल रहा है इधर, ऐसे 2-3 सारा नहीं बैठे. Already wrong है. Show your answer. Yes. I literally posted on Instagram 2 days back. If not you, at least check from Impulse. 2
no,
days.
I commented also, but I forgot the year.
Hey, shut up. Fudge is going to be 6 and my channel is going to be 7. Bonaita. Oh, 2 points. 0. How many studios did I rent before I purchased this home?
I have a question. Does temporary count?
Every studio. भाड़ा भरा तो studio rent किया.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Very nice. 3 is the
This
correct answer. 2 of them you were in, so of course you should know.
Yeah.
Which was the first ever luxury designer brand purchase I made for myself? You'll have to go way back.
Not anything in specific.
No. First, like, I walked into a luxury store and I bought it. There is a vlog on my channel, so I think whoever's seen it should.
I know, but I can't remember the name of the brand.
Then just take an eyeball guess. It's not what you think it is.
कितना कुछ आ रहा है दिमाग में. All vlogs are coming now.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. It was on my some birthday. I don't remember which year. No. It was before Ladakh. Before I went to Ladakh, I made my first. That was my first independent travel, and usse pehle I purchased myself my first luxury item, which became an obsession also later. I wear that piece the most.
I can't remember the name of the brand. I know what she's talking about, but I can't remember
मैं
the
सबसे
name of the
ज़्यादा
brand.
पहनती हूँ वो. Come on, guys! It's
Yeah.
like literally.
Sharon, you know.
No, she doesn't know.
Confused between two.
Okay, come on, take your guesses. Come on, we're losing time here. Time is money, honey. Come on. Huh? No.
It's sunglasses.
Yes,
I know, but I
Burberry.
can't remember.
it's Gucci. My first pair of sunglasses from Gucci I bought before I went to Ladakh, and I wear them so much पूरे घिस चुके हैं. Very bad. Coach के sunglasses है भी नहीं मेरे पास. Just
मेरे को लगा बैग था.
Gucci, then Gucci wallet, Gucci card holder. Then I came to the bag.
Every day I knew it was sunglasses.
3:1 still. This you all should get. When did fudge come into my life?
मतलब date or year?
Or what event maybe.
Accurate would be date, but वो मुझे भी नहीं याद है. Like I know his birthday, but I don't remember the date he came into my life. Year, you can tell me
अरे
year.
this was there on that memory kind of walls उधर लिखा था.
Oh yeah.
Picture.
Oh yeah.
I remember the picture.
Oh yeah, we used to have a memory wall till my last house. Now we don't anymore. She's backtracking. He's turning 6. So this is 2024. 2025 बोली अभी उसने उसको साल भी नहीं याद.
I'm just taking.
Guys, इतनी तुम्हारी मैथ्स पुअर है तो तुमको बहुत क्वेश्चन करना पड़ेगा. 6 साल पीछे जाओ. Come on. Bonaita, what?
But I'm still thinking.
What? What are you thinking? What's that to think?
ठीक है.
Okay, she's winged it, but she still got it right. It's 2018. He was born on 2nd August 2018. इसलिए वो 6 साल का होगा. वो 6 साल का है नहीं.
Maths week है.
I was thinking that only.
Even I was calculating that only.
No, होगा.
Hmm.
Who in my family was my inspiration to start my coffee brand? Very good. Correct answer. Ding, 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 ding. Which was the first ever camera I purchased myself? I want to buy it again. It's that good. Yes. Very good. Camera was Canon G7X Mark II. It's still the best vlogging camera. Just Canon doesn't make it anymore, so you don't get fresh pieces, but it's still the best. What destination was my first solo trip?
एक second. Solo.
Solo. Very good. These are very easy questions. We're getting tough to easy. Okay, good. Which brand did I launch my makeup range with? Payal has kept it super easy. Yeah, ye to of course. Yes. I launched my makeup collection with Pack X Sara. So Pack, it's still available by the way. Food centric this or that. Mere pe based, okay? Seafood or mutton? I prefer seafood or I prefer mutton. How do you answer? I don't know, it's a close call, but I prefer seafood. So very close, but I prefer seafood. Okay, momos or dumplings or sushi? Would I prefer eating momos or dumplings or sushi? She's like, added it.
Fuka sushi.
That's so right. Because मैं ऐसा कहीं से भी sushi नहीं खा लूँगी. ऐसा नहीं. Yeah, but I would prefer sushi. Both are correct. What points at this point? My editor is gathering points over here. I'm definitely sure Bonaita's in the lead. But yeah, sushi, अच्छी जगह से. Pho is not necessary, but अच्छी जगह. Pizza or pasta? Pizza and pasta is so easy. How many times must you have seen me eat? Like majority. Both are wrong.
पास्ता खाते हुए नहीं देखा,
मैंने भी
पिज्जा
नहीं देखा।
खाते हुए देखा।
पिज्जा खाते हुए देखा कि शूट पे इजी होता है सबके साथ बांटने के लिए, बट आई लव पास्ता. आई लव माय पास्ता. आई क्रेव. लास्ट नाइट only I ate, which was my cheat day. Okay. बिरयानी और शीर कुरमा.
Wow. Okay.
No, but it's a very clear cut answer. Very clear.
हाँ बोला है।
You know, as a kid, I used to hate eating biryani because मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता था कि वो गरम मसाले और वो अलग अलग करके मुझसे खाया नहीं जाता था. I used to have so much irritation. Sheer kurma was my favorite. Like if it's Eid, it's sheer kurma for me. Biryani is like okay. अब मैं खा सकती हूँ, but it's not my first preferred choice. Very sad. Moksha. Would Sarah rather? Payal has written this, so third person. Would Sarah rather not shower for a day or not brush her teeth for a day? Given how cleanliness freak I am, neither.
हाँ।
But Moksha is correct. I would rather not shower, but I will definitely brush my teeth because I hate stinking breath. Like, okay. मतलब नहाए बिना रह सकते because perfume and other alternatives, you know. But you can't keep your teeth white without brushing. Okay. Would Sarah rather eat not so great restaurant food or eat veg food for a week? Oh my god.
Not so good restaurant का खाना मतलब still.
But the veg food can be good.
Maybe.
Yeah, both are right. I would rather eat not so good restaurant food than eat veg food for a week. That's a torture. Would I rather skip my workout for a day or work out during my period? She's right. Because अगर मेरे बस में हो then I don't like skipping workouts, but अगर अभी बहुत emergency हो then I skip. But I love working out on my periods because I think it helps me even better with my cramps and workout can be anything. It doesn't mean weightlifting. It can be yoga. I do whatever I feel good. Bonaita in the lead clearly by whatever points. Moksha has finished the full tray of punishment shots. Come on. Okay, this is going to be so bad, but would I rather skip my Instagram uploads for a week straight or miss one YouTube video?
Instagram for a week.
So, if you would have asked me this question 1 year back, I would have been this person. But right now, I'm this person. I will miss one YouTube video if at least I can post like 2-3 reels a week. Because it's just Instagram ka zamana hai, ya short form ka zamana hai. I can't keep posting 3 times a week on YouTube and then also stay consistent while staying sane. This is me right now, but this was me before. So, Moksha gets that 1 point. But dil se I don't want to skip YouTube, but क्या कर सकते हैं? I'm one person. Anyway, last question is very, very controversial, I think, on some level, but it is what it is. Payal has written it. I will ask you all. Would Sarah rather vacation in India or vacation in Europe?
Guessing.
Yes, I would rather vacation. I love India, but I've already vacationed in India all my life. बचपन में जब मैं vlog नहीं किया करती थी, so now I want to see something else. So I like to vacation in Europe, but I love my India. I want to travel, but I've seen everything almost. Anyway, that was fun. Bonaita wins. Yay! Bonaita knows me better. You don't get any prize for it. But we had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments who knew me even better than Bonaita did. Yeah, but that was fun. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you want a part 2 with 2 other team members.
Operations team.
Yeah, the ops team, the social media team is here. And if you want to see the ops team do this challenge, which I don't know, मतलब क्या पूछेंगे और अलग, but yeah, let me know in the comments and we will see you in the next one. Bye.